Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer, and let's start off by turning off the phone. So hold the power button and volume down at the same time, and then select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to plug in the cable, and the moment you plug it in, start holding power button and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna just kind of prep. There we go. And I'm holding both of them. In a moment you will see Samsung and then Galaxy. Once you do, let go of the power button. And as you can see, this boots us into recovery mode. Now you can unplug the cable, as it's only needed to get us into this mode and serves no other purpose. And while you're in this mode, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which volume button you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, view logs, run test, and power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this just brings me back to Android now. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.